Welcome to the Industrial Automation Magazine's YouTube channel, where we delve into the world of technology and innovation. Will semiconductors become a trillion-dollar industry? Industrial Automation explores the promising prospects of the semiconductor industry and the factors driving its ascent toward a trillion-dollar valuation. The semiconductor industry is centered on the development, design, and manufacture of semiconductor devices, which are essential components of electronic devices. It has long been a pillar of technological development, supplying the modern world with electricity through its pervasive use in electronics and other technologies. Now, the debate is around whether semiconductors will become a trillion-dollar industry. What are the factors contributing to making semiconductors a trillion-dollar industry? We will look at every aspect of semiconductors, making the semiconductor decade possible. The semiconductor industry has the potential to reach a trillion-dollar valuation and is growing steadily thanks to a number of essential factors. The semiconductor market has exploded, with sales expected to increase by more than 20% to about $600 billion in 2021, as the impact of digital technology on people's lives and businesses has accelerated. A McKinsey analysis, based on various macroeconomic assumptions, predicts that the industry's total annual growth could range from 6 to 8% per year up until 2030. According to a Deloitte report, global macroeconomic and geopolitical factors are increasingly influencing the semiconductor industry. Market capitalization has decreased significantly as a result of rising interest rates, high inflation, decreased consumer confidence, and stock market declines driven by technology. The analysis shows that the combined market value of the top 10 global chip companies fell by 34% from $2.9 trillion in November 2021 to $0.9 trillion in November 2022. However, there might be room for industry growth and expansion. The industry may have the opportunity to shift its attention from merely trying to catch up during a shortage. Several reports suggest that 2023 may be the year when the semiconductor industry makes a difference. Some of the strategies to take the semiconductor industry to the next level may include bringing manufacturing closer to home with both entirely new fabs and the expansion of existing facilities, managing the diversification risks and challenges that come with localization, digital transformation to digitize many parts of the process, coping with and balancing the semiconductor talent equation, and establishing and accelerating a path toward achieving environmental, social, and governance (ESG) goals, particularly around sustainability. The major growth of the semiconductor industry, 70%, is predicted to be driven by three industries: automotive, computation and data storage, and wireless. The automotive industry is likely to grow the fastest. The Markets report predicts that the global automotive semiconductor market is set to reach $70 billion by 2027, from $42.9 billion in 2022, growing at a CAGR of 10.1% during the projected period, due to hastily cancelled orders and just-in-time strategies. The beginning of the lockdown, led by the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, resulted in an abrupt decline in manufacturing. The pandemic and the ensuing semiconductor shortage have had a detrimental effect on automobiles and electronics. However, consumers' increased use of laptops and computers, 5G phones, gaming consoles, and other IT equipment led to a surge in demand for silicon chips as a result of the work-from-home mode during the pandemic. The global semiconductor industry remained resilient and is poised to grow even further despite the global pandemic and subsequent economic downturn. We have mentioned below some of the top factors driving the growth of the semiconductor market. The semiconductor industry's capacity for constant innovation is at the core of its expansion. The amount of computing power and energy efficiency has increased exponentially as a result of decreasing transistor sizes, better materials, and innovative manufacturing processes. Thank you for exploring the fascinating world of semiconductors with us. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like and share this video. For more insightful content and to stay updated, subscribe to Industrial Automation Magazine and hit the notification bell to receive monthly issues and stay informed about the future of technology. Subscribe to our